Hi everyone, in this video we are checking out the Edifier WH950NB wireless Bluetooth headphone. It is a versatile Bluetooth earphones equipped with quality specifications and features that make it an ideal choice for people who appreciate music like me. Use it alongside your phone or computer. The product packaging looks professional and sturdy. I can see a number of important information on the product packaging. Let us check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one pouch. Within it we will find the Edifier Bluetooth headphones packed within it. Good thing to have a pouch to keep the headphones safe when in storage. Some cable accessories are provided along with a user guide to guide users when operating the product. On first impressions, the Edifier WH950NB wireless Bluetooth headphones look sturdy and high quality with a modern-looking black finish and sturdy build. At the bottom of the headphones, users can find the USB-C charging port, which users can use to recharge the device. Users can find the volume control button along with a mode key to alternate between different mode. The headphone have a soft padded and comfortable ear cup to allow for better comfort during use. It has a cushioned headband too for added comfort during use. Let us power on the headphones. Once it is powered on, the blue LED indicator will flash, then I can begin connection via Bluetooth. I can quickly connect to the headphone over Bluetooth on my mobile phone page and the audio will be played on the headphone directly, a fast and simple way to play and jam to my favorite music while I am using my mobile. Control your music volume too. The headphone supports multifunction keys to forward and backward playlists too. During trials, it has clear audio and it is comfortable to use, superior sound thanks to 40mm dynamic driver that plays music beats clearly and immersively. With high-resolution audio and LDAC, it delivers better audio quality. The headphones have active noise cancellation with ambient sound. This is to ensure better immersive experience where users can jam to their favorite beats even if it is noisy in the surrounding environment like the train or bus. Cool feature, right? I saw on the listing page that the headphone has fast charging too, where a 10-minute charge could last 7 hours battery life. This is good for people who love to charge quickly and get long battery life. Awesome! The full battery life of the headphone is up to 55 hours on full charge when the headphone battery life is new and good. Good for long trips on a full charge. Overall, I find the Edifier WH950NB wireless Bluetooth headset a good choice for people looking for headphones that play music clearly, and at the same time promoting comfort. I can use it on the go thanks to the wireless Bluetooth feature, which is something I appreciate having rather than wired headphones which can be messy. If you want to find out more information, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.